Hi, Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I made some avocado cocoa pudding. So I put avocado, banana, a couple dates, and some cocoa, unsweetened cocoa, into my blender. Kept adding the milk. I use cashew milk, but you use whatever kind of milk you like. Just put that in a blender, kept adding the milk slowly to get pudding consistency. So again, avocado, banana, dates, milk, and unsweetened cocoa to make my pudding. You could kind of go wherever you want with that pudding. You could add honey, peanut butter, cinnamon, vanilla extract, wherever you want to go with that. Then I made a little candy cane here out of banana and strawberry. So I will be dipping my candy cane in my pudding. Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye.